so last week Thursday we were talking about graphing absolute value equations. And the way that we went about doing them is we graphed them either via a t-chart, okay, and we thought that that was the long method, was the t-chart way, or we did this, the standard form of an absolute value equation, and we had all of this wonderful stuff that we can get out of the standard form of an absolute value graph. Okay? The most important things out of that are the horizontal shift and the vertical shift. So the vertex goes to the point h comma k when written like that, and then the a value is the slope of the right half of our v, or our mountaintop, and the left half slope would be negative a. Okay? So with that being said, and remembering all the way back to last Thursday, I believe we are on to that one. Okay? So let's do, or did we do this one? We did this one? Okay. Couldn't remember which one we, so then we're on to these two. Okay? So let's graph these two right now. Alright, so where's the vertex in the first one? At 3 comma negative 4. Okay. So I go to the point 3 comma negative 4 and I put a dot. Okay. That's my vertex. Then what's the slope of the right side? We'll call it RM. 1/2. Okay. What's the slope of the left side? We'll call it LM. Negative 1/2. Okay. So my right side slope, I'm going to go up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. Somewhere over in there. My left slope, I'm going to go left 2, up 1. Okay. Then I can connect those. And I have my V. Agree with that. Okay. Slope on the, or not slope, excuse me, vertex on the second one here. Negative 4 comma 2. 2, 4, 2. Let's go right side slope. Which means my left slope then would be positive 3. Okay? So my right side slope there, 1, 2, and 3 there, there. So that one's going to look like that. Okay? Yeah? Okay? Now, going backwards, I can give you the graph, and you can give me the equation. So here's the graph. Okay? the first thing that you're going to want to find is you are going to want to find the vertex, because that's your H and that's your K. Okay? So my vertex here is at 1, 2, 3, 4, comma, -2. With me? That gives you your H and your K. The second thing you want to find is you want to find the slope of the right side of your absolute value. Why do you want to find that? Why do we want to find the slope of our right side? It gives us the A value, right? Okay. So that's going to give us the A value. The slope of the right side is 1, 2, 3 over 1. So the standard form here of an absolute value is going to be y equals A times the absolute value of the quantity x minus h, then plus k. Right? So this equation is going to be y equals what? 3 times the absolute value of x minus 4, then minus 2. Okay? You try number 2. Vertex is where? 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. -5, comma 4. Slope of the right side. -1/2. Okay? So that means that y is going to equal what? -1/2 times the absolute value of x plus 5, because it's x minus -5. Yep. And then what? Plus 4. Okay? Yes? You now have enough information in your brain to complete the section 2.7 homework. So that one's due tomorrow. Okay? I think I gave you guys graph paper on Thursday, right? Okay. Yes, I did. Don't you be lying to me. Okay? Right? Now, looking ahead to this week, just so you are aware, I am planning on taking the Chapter 2 test on Thursday. That's my plan right now. So all of Chapter 2 will be tested this week, Thursday.